Okay, everybody, here we go. Final pass. Made 723 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. Here at Proformance Unlimited, we strive to be the best, and we try every day to make each and every engine better than the last. I build each one at a time, custom order. You want a kick-ass motor, that's why I get customers like this. They say they want something, I provide it, and I give it to them. But I tell you what, it comes at a price though also. I won't tell you what this one cost, but it wasn't that cheap. But again, here Proformance Unlimited, you want the best, you want to eat some filet, drink a little champagne, this is what it is. Peace. Enjoy. All right, Justin, I got your 62 Chevy Impala here on the dyno. This is a 441 Borla stack injection engine. Steve told me you're a man of what you want. You're going to enjoy the horsepower in this also. Hey, it's great to have your candy and be able to eat it too. Gonna fire it up. We're gonna get a couple of degrees in this. Real quick wipe, we should. And you're ready to go. Man, real nice. Okay, we're at 150. We need 160 to get the learning status to come on. Air pressure is beautiful. 54. IAC is perfect around 6 and 7. Fuel pressure on this one only calls for about 43, 44, 45, which is good. Stack went on. We are ready to make your final pass. I don't know what it's going to make, but it should do some decent numbers. It wanted to keep on going. Dave, we just had the red limiter to 65? It didn't. But it's funny, it makes a great ass power. It bounced off the red limiter, that's why you hear the pop. We would have kept it up to 7,000, we would have kept on going. Fantastic. Beautiful motor. Nice.